Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Hopefully you all had a wonderful break. Now welcome to the portfolio update. What a ride it's been for the last few months. Now, the active managers have had a really rough time with the volatility that's picking up in the market in the past couple months. We are not any different, even though we are very, very nimble. Now, what has happened in the last couple months? Huge sell-off across a lot of growth names on the back of the AI fear. Now, we all know there's been a huge amount of investment going to AI, and there's a lot of fear about what that might do to a lot of software businesses. Now, we are seeing a sell-off not just across software businesses, but in fact, any growth businesses. Some of those are our long-term winners that we have in the portfolio has really been sold off in the last couple of months. Companies like REA, companies like Technology One, and the companies like Xero. Now, our view is that these are the companies that will continue to deliver multi-year growth. With the AI, in our view, is going to be actually increase cost efficiencies for those businesses, and their client base are extremely sticky compared to some of the other software businesses that's being sold off at the moment in the market. We continue to be big believers of those businesses, but clearly the share price has really been impacted in the last few months. Now, on the positive note though, the last few months has seen a massive strong rally across the resources companies, which we do have good exposure to. We have been, long holders actually in copper and across aluminium and also some of the iron ore names and the big diversified miners like the Rio and BHP. And these have delivered very handsomely for the portfolio. Now, of course, even despite the strong return, still not able to offset some of the fall in those growth businesses I just mentioned. Where to from here? Our view is that we are now in reporting season. Ultimately, it comes back down to earnings. We are very focused in finding the companies that will continue to deliver earnings, and those growth businesses that have been sold off on the fear are going to continue to deliver results. And if they could do so, the market will eventually come to realization that they have been oversold. We are now seeing incredible amount of opportunity in some of those companies. Their valuation has come down to multi-year lows. In fact, the lows achieved even just around COVID period for some of those businesses. To us, these are very, very rare opportunity. But while at the same time, we keep the portfolio very balanced. We maintain our good positions in gold companies that has done very well for us, as well as some selective, larger diversified commodity businesses. Our view is that this reporting season is going to see reasonable earnings growth, and mainly supported by the higher commodity prices, and then to be complemented by reasonable earnings from some of our industrials and even our banks. Well, that's it for now from 10Cap. This is your portfolio manager, Jun Bei Liu, and look forward to catching up again.